Okay, we are in Zero Caliber Reloaded, the first one. You know, I probably should have recorded the first one before I recorded the second one, but you know, it is what it is. So I'm not gonna go through the training just because it's the basic mechanics of how to move, shoot, climb, etc., etc. But we're gonna go through the very first mission, Operation Woodpecker, First Contact. Enter Chicago and evacuate as many civilians as you can before the Taloki completely overwhelm the area. We're going to do Harden because Recruit was just getting a feel for the controls. Let's see what happens, and, you know, hopefully we'll get out of there alive. Keyword being hopefully. The difference between this one and the second Zero Caliber is that there's no, option to carry a third weapon. So, that makes me a little sad. But it is what it is. Ooh, a scatter gun. What is that? It's Kalashnikov.
Negotiation is not an option. Thanks for the reminder. I was just about to try hugging him to death. Move out.
But I can carry an additional weapon as long as I've got one on me. So let's see what happens. Or two on me, sorry. I've got a pistol and now a scattergun. See if there's anybody. Where are they inside? I don't see anybody. Oh, let's go back. There we go. I like that a little bit better. And we're advancing up. Let's see what happens. Somebody's got a line of sight on me that I don't see. Maybe not. Oh, yep, maybe they do. Oh, I wish I knew what was beeping. Ooh, where's that coming from? Where's that coming from?
Reinforcement is on the way. Clear the forest glade for the landing. Enemy movement!
Yeah, I'm thinking the M4. Oh, wait. Alright, which way are they coming from? Oh, hello. Where was this guy shooting from? Yeet! Bye, buddy.
Processing plant not that far away with suspicious movements. Explore that area.
Oh, that was a fast first mission. Okay.